Hey, so how to install MetaChat app, live chat and meet? So just tap get and then double click to install. This is one of those live chat apps where you can just chat with strangers and do some random video chat calls. Virtual scene exploration. After entering MetaChat, you'll be immersed into the beautifully designed online bar and cafe scene. Explore various stylized scenes, communicate and interact with other users. Real-time interaction. In MetaChat, you can expand your social circle by chatting with other users in the virtual scene, meet new people, share interests and experiences, discover all kinds of interesting topics. Uh, like to chat with certain user with MetaChat, you can invite them over for a coffee or wine. That's the app. My note, I would suggest you to be quite careful with this kind of apps because sometimes they can be quite scammy and they can just want you to buy coins and spend your money. So this is how the app looks like. Then you can just start random video chat. Then you can see moments, which is like kind of Instagram feed. Then you can just message and see your messages from here, and then you see your profile. So instantly you see your profile is being created. And the thing is, like I didn't even enter my uh, details, and it's just being created. And also it will instantly send you messages. So yep, as you can see, that's just what it is, and it will basically bag you money, so you need to buy more diamonds. So just be careful here, but that's the app, so try it out.